Ever heard or tasted the famous Indian dish, coconut vegetable curry? It's a beloved staple in Indian cuisine, renowned for its rich spices and delectable flavor. This vegetarian dish boasts a diverse array of vegetables simmered in a rich coconut and spice-infused sauce. It's a culinary delight that has won hearts all over the globe, making it a must-try for food enthusiasts and home cooks. If the thought of this dish makes your taste buds tingle with excitement, stay tuned to learn how to prepare this delicious dish. To prepare this dish, we need the following ingredients. We start with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which gives a distinct flavor and is a healthier alternative to other cooking oils. Next is a medium-sized onion, finely chopped, which will give our curry a sweet caramelized base. We then have 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and a small piece of ginger, also minced. These 2 ingredients will add a punch of flavor to our curry. Coming up next are our spices. A teaspoon each of cumin seeds and turmeric seeds, which will add warmth and earthiness to our dish. We're also adding a teaspoon each of curry powder and coriander powder, which will give our curry its distinctive taste and aroma. And for a kick of heat, we'll add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, but feel free to adjust this according to your preference. Our star ingredient is a cup of shredded coconut, which adds a hint of sweetness and a rich, creamy texture to our curry. To balance out the flavors, we'll add salt to taste. We'll also need 2 cups of coconut water, which will not only add a subtle sweetness to our curry, but also help in simmering our vegetables. Speaking of which, we'll need 2 cups of your favorite chopped vegetables. You can use anything from potatoes, carrots, peas, asparagus, green peppers, and so on. With these ingredients ready, we can start cooking. The cooking process is simple and straightforward. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add in the chopped onion. Stir it around until it becomes translucent and releases a pleasant aroma. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add in your minced garlic and ginger, stirring them for about a minute until they turn a golden color. The combination of these 3 ingredients sets a flavorful base for our curry. Now it's time to introduce our spices. Add in a teaspoon each of cumin seeds, turmeric, curry powder, and coriander powder. If you like a bit of heat, you can also toss in half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Stir these around for about 30 seconds to release their flavors. Next, add a cup of shredded coconut and salt according to your taste. Stir well to ensure an even distribution of these ingredients. The coconut adds a creamy, rich texture to our curry, making it all the more delightful. Now, for the star of our dish, the vegetables. Add in 2 cups of your favorite chopped vegetables. This could include potatoes, carrots, peas, asparagus, green pepper, and more. Stir them well to ensure they are coated with the spices and coconut. Finally, pour in 2 cups of coconut water, and continue to cook over medium heat until the vegetables are tender. You can add more water if needed to achieve your desired sauce consistency. Let the vegetables simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are fully cooked and the flavors have melded together nicely. Taste the sauce and adjust the spices and salt according to your preference. And there you have it, a delicious coconut vegetable curry. This dish is not only flavorful, but also packed with vitamins and minerals from the vegetables, and healthy fats and fiber from the coconut. Enjoy it hot with cooked rice, traditional Indian naan bread, or roasted Indian roti. You can also garnish it with chopped cilantro or slices of lemon for an added tang. Remember, this recipe is flexible. Feel free to adjust it according to your personal preferences. Let's recap the key points in making this delightful dish. The foundation of our coconut vegetable curry is a unique blend of spices: cumin seeds, turmeric, curry powder, coriander powder, and a touch of crushed red pepper work in harmony to create a rich and flavorful base. The star of the show, however, is the coconut. Coconut oil begins the cooking process, and coconut water helps to simmer our chosen veggies to perfection, while shredded coconut adds a beautiful texture and creaminess to the dish. Speaking of veggies, the choice is all yours. Be it potatoes, carrots, peas, asparagus, green peppers, or any other favorites, this recipe is a versatile canvas for your culinary creativity. A healthy, nourishing meal, our coconut vegetable curry is packed with essential vitamins and minerals from the vegetables, and dietary fiber and healthy fats from the coconut. Enjoy your homemade coconut vegetable curry, and don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family.